Right, another one that most people did pretty good on, but some people kind of, not too good. So, one thing a lot of people forgot is, look, you're braking from a speed of 65 miles an hour, so that's your starting point. In other words, don't just graph these down here, there's this one to graph as well, okay? So at your zero at the start, when time is 0, it's 65. Now, I've had to obviously add a couple of extra points on here because it only went as far as 55. Because again, maybe we thought we were starting at 55, but no, we're starting at 65. There's my little X there at 65. That's where we start. Then, let's have a look. After a second, it's 55. So after 1 second, I go up, put a little mark here. Okay, there you go. After a second, it's 55. I think after 2 seconds, it was 45. Then 35. Right, after 2 seconds, it was 45. Then 3 seconds, I think, was 35. And the rest of them, I think, was all 4 seconds. It was 25, but also 5 seconds. You know, the car is just going at a slow speed now, okay? So, that's it. I mean, I've just put those points on, okay? I've graphed those. I think a lot of people just forgot this first one up here, okay? But you've got to start there. It's a nice straight line for this, hopefully if I can, and then on there, and that's the graph. Okay, that's the graph. Now, again with this, I think the problem with this is so I'll leave it there, is this bit. Okay, great. You've graphed it and labelled it. I haven't labelled it. So remember, that's your miles per hour. Okay, just go back to look at the table. This is miles per hour. So if I need to, go back to the table and just put these. Okay, so there's your miles per hour. That's the y-axis, and the time, that's the x-axis. So really just put those labels, somewhere here and somewhere here, okay? Just label the x and y-axis. Right, and that's most people got 6 points on that one. Now then, what interval of time is the speed increasing? It isn't. So I'm not sure what to put for that. It isn't increasing, it's right, the speed isn't increasing, okay? 2 points. Now, for what interval of time is the speed decreasing? Right, now it's decreasing, okay? It's not, it doesn't matter if it changes speed, as long as it's going slower, it's decreasing in speed. It's decreasing from the start here to 4 here. Can you see that? It decreases, okay? From there to there. Along the x-axis over 4 seconds. So from 0 to 4, okay, that's a 0, it's decreasing, all right? Let's just abbreviate that to that. When's it constant, okay, these are just 2 points each, it's constant from here to here. In other words, from 4 to 6 seconds, all right? So from 4 to 6 seconds, it's constant. And honestly, that is really all you have to do. That's it, okay? Graph it. Where's it increasing? It isn't. Where's it decreasing? From 0 to 4 seconds for the first 4 seconds. And for the next couple of seconds, it's just constant, okay?